Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm hardly new here. In this video today, I'm gonna show you how to make the draw transition in Filmora X using the basic tool, include a basic title, a basic element and transition. That's all free in Filmora X. So let's dive in. Come into the whole Filmora interface and go to the sample color first. And I'll go to the titles and I choose the 5 particles pack title 11 and I drag and drop in the timeline. And you can find it right on the search box right here. Now this one I just make it first before. Now I make it a color figure. Hopefully with this okay, right? So I double click the tag and then I change the tag code to show transition. Transition, right? Okay, so now I go to the advanced and then I change the font of the text. C-K U I and light, right? And I make the size 40 and let the space I make it 10 and I go to the side view, variant view, right? So to the light orange and dark orange. I go to the effect of this and blur, make it 1. And I go to the sort out the type and I choose this one because light from here, and after that to see the light come here, so I guess the shadow may be right here. That is suitable, right? So and I make the distance of the shadow the 8, right? Okay, that look good. That look good, right? You see that? But I don't want to make a text for a whole video. I just make it maybe 4 seconds. Right here, when the tone light disappears totally, right? Right here. So I stretch it in. Right here. That's okay. And I go to animation, and that automatically make a cinematic style, so it let it there. And so click OK. So now take a look again before I do export this video. Right? So I export it. To where I put it, places. So that's done with the title, and I delete that all thing on the timeline and import the video and have it done. Right? It's here. See that? Now I wrap and drop in the timeline, and I go to the end of the state where the digital transition will disappear, right? You see that here? I take a snapshot right here, and I put it snapshot right here. See that? And I lock, should be locked because I want it's more when I adjust snapshot. So I go with snapshot, I go to compositing and I choose sequence. It's a bit like that, but no worry, that's okay. And I go to the transition, and here, right on the box, you type morph. And you see the one here, and you just wrap it into the snapshot, and you just take a look. Sorry, you see that, but you just adjust a little bit. See that? I just stretching the transition a little bit, and that's fit with the snapshot. And you see, so see that? And now click OK. So I want to make this all transition that look a little bit better, and I go to element, and here recommended, and in the box I type petal, right? Petal, right? So you see with the petals spin 1, petals spin 2, and petals go as a 1. So I do the petal go 3, and you just take a look. Now I just stretch it in to fit the snapshot. See that? And here, I double click and I stretch it in the element, make it smaller, right? And I flip it out, right? You see that? Because with the first, with original element, you see that? You see, the petal come from the top to the bottom, but I want it from fly from the bottom to the top, and the same way with the background video, with the background, you see that? And I just make it stretch it out and make it fit, and I draw it. And click OK. Let's just cycle, right? You see that? And it's just not enough, so I make one more element right here. So I just copy and make it up. And now, right here again, and now you just take a look how it works. You see that? It'll look a bit gray. So if you want more with the passwords, you can put more, but I think with me that's enough. So I lock them all. And for the last part, I go to the audio to make the music. So I go to ambient space piano, right? For the sound background. Make it fit. And you hear that? A little bit better, right? But right here, I want something it make an emphasis this moment, and then I need to make more sound effect. Make sound effect right here, and I go sound effect, and here you choose one and make right here. And I just put the host cell right at the where the transition, the effects appear, right? Now you just take a look and hear the sound effect, how it works. See that? That's okay. So that's all I make dissolve transition for this video today. Thank you very much guys for watching my video, and I hope you like my video and give me the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So if you want to see more, click the notification bell below, and I hope that my video so help you a little bit to grow your idea. Thank you very much again, and see ya.